Okay, let me prime my face first. Trying to do my makeup super duper fast. The new year! The flipping new year. Hi guys, Oyinkan here, and wow. I just want to talk about some things that I want to do with my channel moving forward, just so we can be on the same wavelength, just so I'm not hitting you guys with surprises. It's like, oh, you expected that because, you know, you knew that I was going to do this on my channel. You know? Before we get started, I'm over here really priming like crazy. But oh my gosh, sorry if I'm not looking at the camera because my mirror is right here, and I know I always say this, but I don't have like the time to really spend on my face, so we're just gonna give her like a fresh face. We're gonna be using the pressed powder. We're keeping her clean, clear, and under control. Isn't that a commercial? Clean, clear, and under control. Girl, my eyeliner out, get my lash glue out, girl. Oh, this is the old one. I gotta throw this out, honey. So I'm only using the pressed powder foundation. I'm not using the liquid foundation because I find that when you just put on powder, it should be faster. Girl! First of all, let me see if my phone even fits in here. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, I'm giving ambiance. So what I'm gonna do is... What is my powder foundation routine? We can call this video powder foundation routine chit chat get ready with me. Yeah, we could do that. We could do that. Yes. So I'm just putting concealer on. Oh, I'm so rough. Let me be gentle because you know this. We gotta be gentle. So I'm just putting on concealer and then I'm gonna put the powder on top. I'm just hitting concealer in those spots that I usually hit with concealer, and then I'm just gonna blend her out. As usual, I feel like my brows are not perfect. Okay, boom. So this is what I want to talk about. Oh wait, let me put on, oh my gosh, let me put on my liner. Okay, wow. I don't think I've fully done this routine before. Let me set her underneath. I'm just gonna like boom, 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 dum, 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 dum. Okay, so let's chat while I'm gluing this lashes, girl. So this is what's going on, right? So moving forward, first of all, thank you so much for your support of my YouTube channel, and I'm just happy to be here, yo. I'm just happy to be here. I've been saying this for like, I'm 29, I'm happy. I turned 30 late next year. I just turned 29 2 months ago, and I've been like, I'm almost 30, literally. Nobody at all. Me, I'm almost 30. I'm just really happy to be here, so I'm grateful and I thank God for this. I thank God for life. I thank God, period, right? So moving forward, what I want to do with my channel is, now I'm going to put the pressed powder all over my face. Okay, first, wait, sorry, I forgot. I was supposed to brush this off. I'm brushing off the setting powder, then I'm going to put the, gosh, I'm all over the place. I'm sorry. Then I'm going to put the pressed powder all over my face. Hopefully this looks right. We're gonna see. We're gonna hope and see. So what I want to do with my channel, I want my channel to be, of course, beauty, because you guys know that I love trying new products. I love telling you guys what I think of new products. I love that aspect of my channel, and I'm gonna keep Best Worst Dressed. Love Best Worst Dressed. We're gonna keep her. I'm trying to figure out how often I should do Best Worst Dressed. Comment down below. Should I do a weekly Best Worst Dressed, or should I do like, I'm trying to figure out, should I do a weekly like Best Worst Dressed of the week? Do you guys like that, or just like the award shows? Keep in mind, it's still a pandemic, so people are not really going out award show wise. People are just like, when I do the weekly, I'm just covering like what people are wearing to go wherever. You know what I mean? And I don't know, let me know what you think about that. So we have Best Worst Dressed, we have beauty videos. I'm gonna sprinkle in some more fashion videos if I can. You guys know fashion is my first, like, I love style. Style is just immaculate. Put it on eyeliner. And then I want to do more quick thought videos, which is where I just simply talk about anything that's going on in this world, and I give my 2 cents on what's going on in this world. Literally that simple. Oh, I messed up. That should do. So it's gonna be quick thoughts, Best Worst Dressed, beauty videos, whatever other type of fashion video I want to do. Maybe fashion hauls. I can do some hauls. I think hauls are wonderful. I was supposed to post truth or drink. I've told you guys that I did truth or drink, and I was supposed to post that, and I don't know, girl. I'm trying. I'm really trying. And let me put my bronzer on, girl. I'm gonna put on bronzer. I'm really trying. It's just, it gets difficult sometimes to keep up. But yeah, the Truth or Drink video is not finished yet, like editing wise. So I just have to finish editing it and then I can post it. So that's gonna come out next week, Monday. So Monday tomorrow's the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Monday the 4th is when Truth or Drink is gonna come out. I'll post it on the 1st, but I don't think you guys are gonna even care to watch it because you're gonna be too drunk or too, I don't know, too turned up from New Year's celebration. And I'd rather post it when I know that you guys are gonna be able to see it. You know what I mean? Because this is like, it's my channel, but I want to make it convenient for you as well. So, of course, I got lash glue on my flipping skin. Oh my gosh. My lash glue doesn't dry like it used to anymore. It just doesn't dry like it used to. I'm gonna wait before I put this one on, and I'm gonna put on highlighter on my chickies. Matter of fact, oh my gosh, I got something in my eye. Got it. My eye is tearing up. I didn't want to make this like a super formal video, but here I am sitting down doing this. My eyelash is poking me in my eye and I can't get it out, and it's crazy frustrating. But yeah, guys, so that's what I want to do with my channel. This is not even like showing enough pigment. I had to go into Moscow Mule from back in the day because that shows way more pigment. I'm literally just grabbing the first things I saw. Sorry I never posted the drugstore New Year celebration look. I didn't post that because I never got around to going to the drugstore to pick up makeup. I literally haven't had the time. Like, I just never got around to it. I tried, but I didn't have the time, and I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. It just is what it is. I'll do a drugstore look another time. Now for the I'm gonna put a little shimmer on my lids, girl, because you know we like to shimmer on the lids. Yes, just a little and a little and then the inner corner highlight. This is Rose Rave. I'm just popping her in. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and just give you guys like an update of like how I'm moving forward with my channel. It's gonna be quick thoughts. We're gonna have beauty. We're gonna have fashion. We're gonna have best worst dress. I'm gonna do hauls. And what else did I even say I was going to do? I forgot, girl. My favorite lip liner, I mention it all the time. You guys already know. I'm not gonna I feel like I'm beating a dead horse by saying it again, but I love this lip liner so much. It's literally perfection. And I'm just gonna go into catch my bottom lashes, girl, because you know we gotta catch them lashes, girl. It's not gonna look as popping because I got some glue on my bottom lashes, so it's not gonna look as popping. So now that I'll be doing more quick thought videos, you guys can always hit me up with, you know, whatever is out there. Hit me up with any topics that you hear about or see about that you want me to talk about, or you want me to give my 2 cents about. Pat McGraw. I was gonna use that Too Faced one, but I just wanna use this, call it a day. And then occasionally I'll have videos where I bring on friends, or where I bring on people to just chit chat with me, or do little challenges that are fun, you know, stuff like Truth or Drink. I wanna do more videos like that. It doesn't have to be Truth or Drink, of course, it can be like a whole nother concept, but something where it's like me and a friend, or me and a couple people, and we do whatever that challenge is. I love videos like that. I think they're so much fun. I just wanna have more fun. Like, I already love YouTube. You guys know how much I love YouTube. You guys know this is my spot. I love it here, but I want to make it even more fun for me, right? So that's why I'm like, okay, so quick thoughts make me feel I'm doing a part of my purpose, which is, you know, bringing the truth. Not only just giving my opinion on matters, but also like bringing the truth about things, you know? So, and then with style, you guys already know style is my love. I love style. Style means so much to me. I have a style blog before I even started YouTube. And beauty, you guys know I love beauty. I love trying out different things. It's just more content for you guys, and the plan is to put out videos 2 to 3 times a week, every week. I know for December, December till Christmas, I did 4 videos a week. So moving forward, I want to do at minimum 2 to 3 times a week. If I could do 4 some week, I'll be super happy. That means I was just able to do more, and that'll make me super happy. But 2 to 3 times a week, every week. I'm really more excited about Quick Thought because like, girl, I be chatting. Like my friends and I, we talk about stuff that's happening all the time. So I just feel like, why not bring it on the camera, you know? So I'm super excited about that. Anyway, thank you so much. Leave your comments down below for whatever else you want me to add to my channel. that you think fits me, fits my style, fits who you think I am. You know, fits who I am. So thank you so much. Oh, my earrings are linked below. They're from the Befitting Style Holiday Collection. Definitely check it out. I forgot to mention that in the beginning, but yeah. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. Check out the link in the bio for some stuff. I always got stuff linked in bio. All right, girl. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, girl. Do you like my simple beat? It's so simple. It's like a no. This could almost be a no makeup makeup. Low key though. Low key. This could be no makeup makeup. I low key look like I almost don't have makeup on. She's au natural. Au natural. All right, guys. Later. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Either way, I hope you turn up. Hope you live it up. I hope you turn up. You know, COVID safe. COVID safe. COVID safe. Later, guys.